Well, as far as the pandemic goes, people say things might be getting a little bit better out there. But like a cake that still needs frosting, or like a cocktail that still needs shaking, there's still work to be done. Now, a lot of our local eateries aren't fully opened up yet, so I wanted to give you some tips on how you can enjoy meals right from your kitchen that taste exactly like they came from your favorite restaurant. So we're going to tackle 3 of our favorite cuisines from when we used to go out to eat: barbecue, French, and Italian. I guess barbecue's first. As everyone south of the Mason-Dixon knows, one of the secrets to good barbecue is the sauce, and we have everything we need right here in this blender. So, let's see what we got. Hello, Billy Joe. Oh, Bobby Steve. Hey, listen, it's me. Can you hook me up with a rib platter Memphis style, heavy on the sauce, light on the beans, and extra coleslaw?
You got it.
Now remember, one of the other secrets of good barbecue? Time and patience. About how long for that, buddy?
20 minutes.
20 minutes? No problem. Done.
You got it, buddy.
Now, if you want something fancier, how about French cuisine? Perfect. Now, in French cuisine, the term for everything in place is mise en place, which means you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Comme ça. Let's see. Poulet vol au vent, pommes de terre à l'allemande, et un délicieux Chenin Blanc. Oh, full disclosure, I had the wine delivered earlier. Okay, let's move on to Italian. Oh yeah, Dean Martin works. Now, a lot of people think you can't get good pasta out of a box. Not true. Okay, watch. Hey, Tony, che cosa succede? Cosa fai? Sì, una linguine alla vongole e un'insalata caprese, capisci? Boffata magara, buongiorno, visa. Ciao. See, I'm Italian. I just made him an offer he couldn't refuse. In this case, it was a debit card. But look, here's the thing. Sitting in a crowded restaurant with a big group of your friends is just around the corner. But so are your local favorite places for food, and they're more than ready to deliver right now. So the best way for you to get good at this is to try it for yourself. Oh, and by the way, tip generously. Delivery people may not be waiters, but for right now, they're the next best thing. Oh, wasn't that easy? Cheers. Coming!
Scusami, but you see back in old Napoli, that's amore.